please watch and enjoy. A lot of students have worked really hard to put this together for all of us, and I appreciate your ability to do stuff.
We live in a time where most often the previous generation hasn't passed down to us problems or conflicts, but solutions.
45 years ago, we lost the man with the dream, the advocate for equality.
You got a dream, you got to protect it.
The lives we get to live now and the dreams we get to live out were unimaginable just 50 years ago, all because a few people decided to stand up for what was right.
When you think of Martin Luther King Jr., you think of one of the most influential men of the 20th century.
I want to thank Mr. George Gunther and the PHS Choir. I want to thank also our speakers this morning.